Guys, eto na finally yung pinaka nire-request nyong package for Hong Kong and Macau for this year. Ayan. So for only 26,999 pesos per person, meron ka ng 4 days, 3 nights Hong Kong and Macau package tour. Sobrang affordable, di ba? And what makes our package unique from all other packages in the market is yung package inclusion mo, guys, ay hindi lang focusing on Hong Kong but focusing on both countries. So, bakit? Kasi yung round trip airfare natin is round trip from Manila to Hong Kong. Tapos yung pag-uwi mo, di ka na babalik ng Hong Kong, guys. So, iwas pagod, Macau to Manila na yan. O, diba? One more thing, our hotel accommodations for 4 days, 3 nights ay hindi lang pang Hong Kong. Meron ka ring 1 night sa Macau na mag-i-stay. At the same time, kasama na dyan yung